over myself, you know. With a fret over my face, you know. Me, I said, Jesus Christ, God, look.
That is it. Yeah, man, here we Queenie just say she wanna fret over her face still. But one of the things still, I just her face still I fret over, but you don't know, say Dewey involved in that, is it. She afraid say, yeah, Dewey do her face that, but she afraid say, yo, John was the young boy gone left her. Well, go on, when I depend, welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV, you see it. Yeah, man, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. I don't know what I go on from yesterday about most video Queenie put out and things she a cry, and I don't know if I true art here tell her say, yo, Queenie, you know, listen in age or listen to sick or rhyme or wanna. Yo, I just Queenie style at her, man. She just be herself, you see, because you don't know say so she act over the time and thing. So yo, just feel free, comment anything when you think about what she has say or how she act or anything, you see. Yeah, man, go forward in the video.
Face now. Watch out. I can't believe my face come back so pretty, you know. September. No, yeah, August. The 19th August. August, yes, September, October, November, December, January. Watch that. I can't. I not look pound, you know. I have only things to testify and give God thanks, you know. Me, Queen. What? Me? I don't understand. The glory. I'll if I wake up and can't have some and take my one of tears and lick it, me give God thanks. I want to say right crazy. The way this traumatized me. The way this traumatized me when I used the hospital. I'm telling you something. You see my face right crazy. You want to understand? That's why I could have clashed with a girl. I could even find the lyrics for counter a car. It ripped me. You see, when we get the injured, me hide, you know, and think it's going to go away. And when we got Monday for, I saw we going to get the money hard. The same man with the down there classmate. The face hurt me the way my tough strong. I drive up and down with the face. And when me in the car, I smell one stink or something. I'm such a shame on said, I what taste so? I'm push back my tongue. I open my mouth, the whole car polluted. I'm start squeezing. That time I go hospital. I don't know when I go through with my face. Me couldn't, when me hear the girl I sing, I'm afraid. Cause me traumatized. So now say me bally experience and knowledge. You hear that? Remember me not gone no hospital and no doctor yet, you know. It's a 3 days after the phase me get the punch. So when me go hard, the whole car think up everybody I cover them face. So me get the tissue and put inside a big corruption I come out of my mouth. I saw me go bush and backyard the night. And the face started hurt me. I said, no, this is not normal. I forgot doctor. It's at the 4th day. And sun Saturday night like this. I would drive from the man yard and come the early morning to go UC. Oh no, I'm going to trade my face. You see, for them put the something in my hand, them joke me on 20 can't find no fear. I'm afraid of nigga. Enough my got through. So I'm not gonna help nobody for super traumatize myself. I don't give a myself. You see, Steph London and Jada Kingdom, you know why me can't say them have music clash. Can nothing physical never happen. Me got to a physical, that piece of flesh up out of my mouth. And me for go back as a clown. When I me get back flashback with my face. For use that for entertainment, no, some prefer not be no artist if I could be the case. And see me now, the face. I know me as a Queenie really a faces. Do you ever ball in at the hospital right crazy? When they say them I forgot attack the face from inside and outside. And I said, no. I don't think me about that, so no. We have a ball in our UC, my ball wicked. My face, you know. Alright. I mean I call. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Tell her I'm coming. Thanks. Yeah, man. So it's a journey and a half, baby. So if you see where I come from, I know I'm ill. Because the paranoidness and I'm a bed, I'm a lie down, and where my brains are run million miles. No, them look at something. You understand? I have to counteract by myself and say, Queenie, greatest thing you have in life. You better your face mash up. I have to talk back to myself and rehabilitate myself as I tell you now. TikTok. One day I made up on TikTok for 22 hours. 22 hours. That mean I just 2 hours see me get tick tack, tick tack. When anybody call me and tell me I'm afraid to come out because when me not the panic, me I think me I worry about this, me feel frettish, me no want tick tack, take with the whole of that. When me say me not fuck up I can't cope without tick tack, me say I come back to. So who understand, but my RT go later. RT where you there? So when me telling them I build myself and me selfishly now is with myself. I don't can't force one want force by me. I don't know no like. So matter one want types and thinking on the mind. I'm my own bigger man I know what I want for myself. I'm not run down either. Stop cry? Why? Why would you stop? I'm not even cry now. Stop cry forever. Don't cry again. Ever. That's fucking. Oh, must stop crying. Me that emotional cry, baby. I'm not gonna stop crying, baby. I'll you to stop watch me. That me have to tell you. I'm up for you, Queenie. Yeah, true, lady gangster. Yeah, man. Listen, right, crazy. All the little things in life you have to give God thanks for. Crying is freedom. I God me cry too. Him answer I write somebody for cry to, you know. God. Father God, when you cry to him answer tears. I admire you, Queenie. Thank you, Louise. Hello, strong survivor. Yeah, man, I got through enough fun. But you are my fool, but I laugh after myself. I don't know that style I go. But I tell you something, I crash my BMW, me and my two daughters, they were drive one time, man. Bloops on the roundabout, a bed crash run up in our juice, man. They saw me start laugh. Some of us out to laugh. The man I can tell me, there was a word that used to bother me when me young. The word that said, if me didn't know, me never would do that. And the next thing I used to bother me when me young, me used to think how God created the world. So them two things that used to trouble me as a young girl. I said, oh, God made the world. When it just start, them two something that from me young me used to think about, you know. So it's in my creative mind now. I just know so life is a challenge as my father always said, mind over matter. So I try know say you have to lose to win. When you lose something, you just have to laugh. I don't know it's crazy, but it's my style. I true. Yeah, me tell you son Russia. And I said to myself, so mommy, how you feel? And I said, boy, and I said, no, your mama is a hot girl in her hand. We just have to take it as it comes. She said, "Out everything, mommy. And the hot girl have to put it right. That's just me. Yeah, I can't bother with life. Me not bother talk to her. Me not have no time for them depression. And she constantly be like that. So when you have friends like that, you have to just accept them. You have to accept people for who they is. So you love them from a distance. So that's why I'm telling the son I love me. Because me can speak for myself. You see, things that irritate me, me no prolong it, me no watch it. Like perfect example. I open my phone and I see pink wall have one post. As I open my phone and it first, me see. I say my heart goes so bloops. It's from my heart leap. Just start laugh. In my head, me say, me nah look me afraid and me no open it. You understand? Yeah. If I see that direct umber face, you know, say, it's something where me no want to say, but now, who know that look at aunt and say, me no look. You understand the difference with me? Yeah, man, me nah look, brethren, me nah aunt. Because you see me couple and people page and hear them say something about me. From my ear to my ears, me nah go be hypocrite with myself. Me nah go be second until me defend myself. That is the next thing with me, you know. So you see me no hunt for problem. My friend asked me today if I not hear him song. I say no, I not hear a song if I depend internet. I say I not depend internet a browse. Me depend internet, me depend internet now. If you go up on YouTube and TikTok and run through people things, who the fat? Not me. I'm always telling her. Me can't sit down here, sir. My brain's too creative. Sit down here, sir. For watch somebody one next somebody one next somebody one next somebody one next somebody. Not me. Nothing wrong with it, you know, but on my style. If my